It's festive season on your dashboard. When your car is showing every light except the check engine light, it's time to come see us. If starting your car has turned into a daily motivational event, you definitely need a tune-up. When your wipers are just smearing instead of clearing, it might be time for a new set. From strange oil colors and scratched-up exteriors to tires that have seen better days, whatever SOS signals your car is sending, Hera is here to save the day. Don't wait for a breakdown. Keep your car running smoothly. Book your service at Hera today.